Alright, so we have a 2005 Ford Taurus. I'm already diagnosed the vehicle. Diagnosed it to have a bad starter. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace your starter. Alright, so first thing you do want to do is disconnect the positive battery terminal, which is a 8mm. And then next we're going to jack up the car and jack stands, and I'll show you what's that. Once you're under the car, you're going to use jack stands. I also got the back wheels chalked. We're going to do the electrical connection first, which is right here. The top one is a size 13, so we're going to do these two connections first. I'm going to get a nut size for that. Might be a 10 actually. Alright, so you can see. First one, grab this washer, nut, put this aside, and then you can remove this wire here, and you got the next power wire, which is a 13. And next you'll remove that nut up top. Don't forget your washer. Try to catch it. Washer, and then you get to remove the power cord. There we go. And then next, you can start on the starter. All right. So after you remove the wires that goes to your starter, you want to take your 13. And remove this 13mm bolt. There we go. The first one, and the second one's kind of hard to see, but it's up top. It's right there where I have my light shining. All right, this is 14. And to get up there, I'm going to have to use a ratchet with a swivel head. The swivel head, and just break it free. Come on, girl. I'm gonna take it out. I think we got it. Yep. Take the starter and just pull down. Also might be a good time to inspect your flywheel. This side looks pretty good. Alright, I was keeping the gasket aligned, so put that back in. So now we're going to take our new starter and insert it the same way we removed it. So like this. Take the 13 and start by hand. Go. You don't have to tighten it all the way, but you still gotta do that top bolt. The one up there. Okay. Now we're gonna tighten up this 13mm up top. There we go. Here we go. Let's make sure it's tight. There you go. Just loosening it. Up. Sorry guys. And then next we have our connections. So let's put this back on the stud. Go to the top one first and then the bottom one. Take your washer, go, and then your nut. Start by hand first. All right. So 13. Make sure that's tight with your ratchet. And next we have our 10mm. Grab your washer. And then your 10. So small. And then you take your 10mm socket and you tighten it down. And tighten it down. Once you do that, you want to connect your battery. And now we're going to start the car.